Hey guys, what's up? It's Ali Goodwin, and today I have a haul video for you guys. So it is almost the end of summer. What? No. Over the summer I have gotten a bunch of different clothing items from like my birthday and shopping with friends and stuff. So this is like my summer accumulation haul. All of these are great things to wear for back to school. And yeah, I'm just really excited to show you guys because I've got some cute new stuff. I always do like weird things with my hands in videos, so ugh. I'm sorry. Alright, let's get into the video. First things first, I think this is like my favorite thing that I got. I was out shopping with my friends and it was like about my birthday time and I was like, you know what? Treat yourself, Ali. Buy yourself something nice. So I have always wanted overalls, and these aren't overalls, but they're pretty darn close. They're like corduroy dress overalls. Yeah, I don't know what to call them. I got this from H&M, and it's so cute and it goes so well with what I'm wearing. I love like the black and white look together. I actually, the first day I got it, I was wearing it with braids like this, and I looked like I was like in kindergarten because I had like pigtail braids and like a corduroy dress and like little stripes, and it was like too much. But I don't own anything like corduroy, so I'm really excited that I have this. And now that I have this, I want overalls even more. I want to get little shorts overalls because they'll be so cute. Yeah, it's really cute and I love it. I have never had black shorts and I really like them. I was just going down like a really girly phase and I was like, Ali, jump out of this, spice up your wardrobe, black shorts. And they just look really good with everything, like every shirt, they just look nice. I got it from PacSun. I buy like all of my jeans and like jean shorts from PacSun. I love PacSun, they just all fit me so well. And they always have a bunch of sales going on. I actually didn't buy these on sale, and then like a week later they sent me like a buy one get one free shorts or something. And I was a little upset, but yay! Next, I got this striped shirt from Urban Outfitters. I have been obsessed with stripes recently. It's really bad. I need to stop buying striped clothes, but somehow just everything I want is striped. And I know it's like probably really trendy, but I love stripes. But yeah, I love the colors. I absolutely love them. They're very rainbow and fun. I'm really into like pastels and like primary colors and stuff. I just think they're really cute. And this is very like primary colory. Colory is not a real word. I have an Urban Outfitters like right down the street from me, and I always walk past it on the way to class, and it's terrible because I'll just look in the window and just want to buy everything. But Urban can be kind of expensive sometimes, but this shirt was only $20, which is a really good price, especially for Urban. It's cute and affordable. Next up, I got this tank top from Forever 21. I love that Forever 21, they have like really inexpensive things, especially like little shirts like this. I don't remember how much it was, but it was like pretty inexpensive because it's just like your basic little baby pink tank, and it's like adorable. It pairs well with everything. It looks really good with my black jeans. I like throwing on little jackets over it is fun, and I can't wait for the winter to wear it like this with like black jeans and like a cool jacket. Ugh, it's gonna be so cute. So yeah, I really like it. It's really simple. It's also so comfortable. I actually wear it to bed quite often. Next, moving on to shoes, I got black Vans. I've mentioned in like several videos in the past, if you're a real subscriber, you would know this. Just kidding. But I like wear Converse like 24/7, so I finally have like another pair of gym shoes, and they're black Vans, and I think they're really cute. I'm like really into Vans now, and I'm like obsessed and really want yellow checkered Vans. That's like my dream shoe now. So we'll see Christmas if anyone wants to send me a Christmas gift. Woo! Yeah, they're super cute and they're just like really simple, and I think they just like go good with everything because they're simple and black. I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry, shoes. Okay, this is, at first I wasn't gonna show these because, I don't know, it's a little weird, but I just had to because I really like them. My roommate showed me MeUndies, which is like a brand, and they have underwears and bras and stuff. I haven't tried their bras, but their underwear is so cute and so incredibly soft. But I got two pairs. This one is like watermelon, and they're bananas, and they're so fun, and literally the softest pair of underwear I have ever worn in my life, and they're great. But yeah, they're super cute and so soft, and I like them, and I want to order like a million more pairs, but I would run out of money. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing all my new cute clothes. It was just kind of like a mini haul, a small haul, because I haven't been buying tons recently. I'm probably going to go back to school shopping pretty dang soon. And I think I'm going to do a back to school lookbook with like some of these clothes, styling them, and as well as like some clothes I'm about to buy. So that'll be fun. I'll probably have that in a couple weeks. So look forward to that. I've also been doing a lot of pointing in my videos, along with the doing weird things with my hands theme. We're doing pointing now, so that's cool. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because I have a bunch of new videos planned, including a bunch of more back to school stuff, which will be fun. I'll also link all of my social media down below. I've been hella active on Instagram recently, so if you want to see what I'm up to this summer and what I'll be doing all next year, then my links will be below. Alright, have a good rest of your summer, guys. Okay, bye!